Now, as someone who can claim myself as an avid PC gamer, I have to admit, this is one of the best keyboards that I've ever used. Now, when it comes to mechanical keyboards, there are far too many options to choose from, and many PC users like myself want a quality keyboard without paying too much. So oftentimes, choosing the right one can be very overwhelming and sometimes feel like an impossible task. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to review this really good keyboard called the Kebohub EE01, but the first thing that we have to do is unbox it. Now, when we unbox the Kebohub, we can see that it has the beautiful gray and white keys. It has a pretty small frame when compared to most keyboards, but this will result in extra room for your desk. We have the gray spare keys with a greenish space and escape key in case you needed them or wanted to change your look on your keyboard. They're swappable mechanical switches that can be removed easily and are also very easy to put back on. They're also very easy to remove since they come with this very handy tool that will make your job a lot easier. And here we have the manual, which will teach you everything that you need to know about the Kebohub. It comes with extra switches, and on the back, you can see the detail specs of the keyboard. This product also comes with a USB Type-C cable and a whole assortment of gray letters. In case you want your whole keyboard to be a grayish color, you can change the look of your keyboard anytime you want, and the keyboard is absolutely beautiful. It has two logos on the side and one on the face of the keyboard, and this model isn't similar to any other mechanical keyboard on the market since it's made of silicone and aluminum and weighs 788 grams. It comes in a 10 kilo size and is also very low profile with a high ergonomic space, gray colors with ABS plate material, which is also a space gray color. It supports Mac OS and Windows, and in order to switch between the two, all you have to do is hit the FN switch and press the Win or Mac button, which is pretty effortless. It also includes replacement keycaps for Windows. Mac keycaps are already on the board by default, and this fully assembled board came with blue switches and double shot shine through keycaps. The construction of this board is really good yet sturdy. You have massive silicone on the bottom, providing an incredibly solid base, which is then bolted to the top frame with a metal panel hub. The Kebohub measures at 35.5 by 12.5 centimeters, and like I said before, it's much smaller than the average keyboard, which means that you will have much more desk space for aesthetic, or if you want more stuff on your desk. You have enter, backspace, and delete keys. Media control keys at the upper part of the keyboard also cost less than high-end mechanical keyboards that you will find on a company like Razer. The Kebo keyboard also has a 5-port hub with a 4K HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, and a 3 USB-A 3.0 port, which is honestly my favorite thing about it. The hub supports up to 5-volt output that supports data transfer, and the HDMI port supports up to 2K and 1080p monitors. You can change multiple devices via the hub, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches without having to worry about running out of juice. The Kebohub also has double injection ABS keycaps with RGB backlighting. It's a plastic that is extremely durable and resistant, and in my opinion has some of the best RGB components in its price range. The keycaps are mixed profile, which is a sculpted profile that changes from row to row, and you can buy this keyboard with anything from reds, blues, and brown switches. The keycap switches can be changed to personalize your keyboard, and this is easily the most customizable keyboard that I've ever owned. It supports switches with up to 3 to 5 pins that can be used, and the Kebohub keyboard also allows you to plug and play any switch, and they also include 4 high swappable switch options that you can buy. Performance is superior and incredible, not only when typing regularly, but also when playing games. It performs the best whenever I play first-person shooters or any competitive game. The switches are very low profile, which results in better and faster response times. The short travel distance also makes it easier to do faster moves and have a better succession rate for those who want to do more. The clicky sound in the keys were very loud, very premium, and really got me hooked since I do a lot of script writing, and it did a great job giving me nice feedback whenever I was writing. You can easily get between 100 to 140 words per minute with an accuracy rate of over 98%. The Kebohub is also designed with 18 lighting effects, along with adjustable brightness, speed, and direction, and you can change this by holding FM and insert, page up, page down, and delete. And also, each key provides 3 different modes. The Kebohub is very simple and understanding as well. It has media functions at the top, and everything is labeled so you won't have to memorize certain keys. And there it is, you guys, the Kebohub EE01. It's a phenomenal keyboard that I got a lot done with, but I also had a lot of fun with it since I could customize it however I wanted to. I could still game on it, and its whole look and aesthetic was something that truly made it stand out. And the link to the Kebohub EE01 will be in the description and comment section of today's video, and let me know down in the comments if you would consider getting one. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Peace.